Before the back-of-house phone can sign in, you need a store code. From the dashboard, the code lives under Operations, Devices, Station Links. Click Devices under Operations in the sidebar to open the page. Tap Station Links in the Station Devices card header. Each store gets a 6-character code, a scannable QR, and a copyable URL. Print the QR or copy the code. That's what the phone needs next. Install the LaundryVerse Stations app from the Play Store. The dashboard has a Get Stations link in the top banner and on the Getting Started page. Open the app on the station phone. The first screen asks for the 6-character store code you just opened in the dashboard. Tap Continue to bind this device to your store. After this, the app remembers the store and goes straight to PIN entry. Sign in with the employee's 4-digit PIN. The app submits automatically after the 4th digit. Stations has no separate roll gate. Any active employee with a 4-digit PIN can sign in, who can advance which station is controlled inside the app. Once signed in, tap Clock In to start the shift. The app records the device's location for the time card. After clocking in, the home screen shows the 4 station cards: wash, dry, pack, and claim. Each card shows how many loads are waiting at that step. From here, the day-to-day loop is tapping Scan QR to advance each load through the 4 stations. The device is set up,